Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your English instructor Muhammad Hasnain once again with all of you people. Today we are going to be doing a very important, very easy and very prominent topic which you guys might just love after listening about it. You guys know about it quite well, but you don't know the name of what topic we are discussing today. So let's get into our topic. So our today's topic is, what are articles? Sorry for the wanky looking type of handwriting, because I was a bit a bit in work and I had to write fast. So what are articles? Well, articles are a part of adjectives. It is a type of adjectives. And what do adjectives do? You guys might know about it. I have made videos about it. In simple words, adjectives qualify noun and articles also qualify noun. What articles do? It qualifies noun and comes before a noun. Now, really big fact, it comes before noun. We cannot say a happy apple. Hasnain is happy. We can say like that, but we can't say a happy apple, because we don't use adjectives before a noun. But a apple, we do use it. The pen, we do use it. So it works. Now, let me explain real quick. What are adjectives and how do they work and how many types are there? Now, articles. Articles are mainly adjectives which work before a noun, and they're used quite a lot in daily life. We don't recognize what they are until we realize it. So, quite simply, there are two types, indefinite and definite. Now, definite is consisting of one and indefinite is consisting of two. Now, there are mainly three types of article: a and the. A and the. A and the. It is an apple. It is an onion. It is an umbrella. It is for example, it is an vehicle. It is a great piano. It is a computer. It is a phone. It is a frog. Lots of people commit this mistake. They do not remember when they are speaking, so they do not realize that they said a with a vowel or without a vowel. They sometimes use a with a vowel and sometimes they don't use it. Sometimes they are correct, but sometimes they commit this mistake, and it's a normal mistake. But you guys should be careful with this because it matters a lot. Today's video is a short, so listen carefully to what I speak. So you won't mix this up, okay? You have to be with me. You have to be listening to every single thing. So a and an, you should remember that it is for consonants, it is for vowel, and when there is a vowel, you have to use this. There is no exceptions, there is no buts and ifs and no other ways and ands. There is no buts, ifs and ands. Simple. Rules are rules. Lots of people make this mistake and I really hate it. And they say, I have an watch. No, it's not an watch, it's a watch. And some say, it is a great place. Now that's correct. But some say, it is an great place. No, it's wrong. Now some say, it is a good vehicle. It's wrong. It is an good vehicle. Some say it is a good umbrella. An umbrella, not a umbrella. It's wrong. Now let's get into the definite, the. We all know the or the, whatever you want to call it. There are two reasons behind the and the. Let me explain. One is because of the accent. In British, it's different than American. Like, this is the difference. And secondly, it's up to what word we are starting with. It also depends upon. It is the new iPhone. It is the pen I gave you. It is the ball I gave you. It is the food I gave you. It is the fake finger I gave you. For example, science. It is the oxygen that our air has. It is the ink of my pen. It is the battery of my watch. It is the box of my watch. It is the CPU of my new computer. You can use it with multiple different words. Hope you people understood articles. Quite easy. Just listen to my video if you don't understand again. And until my next video, thank you so much for staying with me. This is all. Thank you so much for being with me. And Allah Hafiz. Thank you.